Thank you guys. I'm Matthew and I'm here with.
Darcy Frushine.
What's your role on the team?
My role on the team is I am the captain and the anchor.
What are your goals for this season?
I think the goals are to get better as a team and to have a better and positive vibe and just to feel like that, hey, we can grow throughout the whole season.
What are your expectations?
I feel like for personally, I want to get better. I want everyone to get better, and I want to personally get better because I feel like that we all had that potential last year, and I feel like if we just keep getting better from where we were last year, we're gonna be like a really good team. And I feel like that if we just keep growing, our team will become more fun, and I just want that fun atmosphere this year.
What do you like about bowling?
I think what I love about bowling is that when you go to bowling, yes, it's on yourself, but I also feel like there's other teams that are there. It's not just you and your opponents. There's other teams, and I made a lot of friends through bowling. So I would just, go all the way down the bowling alley, and I would go talk to everybody who I knew from different schools and go hang out with them and talk to them and talk about our school day. And then outside of school with bowling, there's leagues. And me and my friends, we do leagues together on Friday nights. And we just have a great time because we get to talk about what we did in school because we're all relatively the same age. So we get to, talk about the same things that we're going through. We get to celebrate whatever happened in our lives. And I feel like that it's a big family atmosphere in bowling.
Thank you. Back to you guys.